The first person in the state to test positive for the coronavirus is a Cynthiana woman who is thankfully home from the hospital and doing much better. Julia Donahue says she's extremely lucky. LEX 18's Lee Searcy spoke exclusively with her about her COVID-19 scare and recovery.
I kept getting a fever.
Just over a month ago, a normally healthy Julia Donahue was coughing, had a headache, and couldn't shake her high fever after 2 trips to the doctor.
I've never felt this kind of sickness before. I didn't know what I had. That's why I told my husband, I said, I need you to take me to the hospital because I don't know what's going on.
Within a week, her condition went from bad to worse.
It only took maybe 4 or 5 days for me to start losing my breath, and where I couldn't breathe, I couldn't even leave my bed and go to the next room because I'd have a coughing fit. I'd be gasping for air. It felt like I was just suffocating.
The 27-year-old baker who stayed close to home, didn't travel anywhere, who doctors would consider a low risk for the coronavirus, ended up at UK hospital for 9 days on a ventilator.
I had to be on a machine to breathe. This is a bad virus, spreads fast. That's just how it is.
Julia is a very private person who lives at home with her husband and pets, but she decided to share her near-death experience with the virus to warn others COVID-19 is real and should be taken seriously.
I think you should listen to what the leaders are saying and just do what they say because they're just trying to keep us safe.
Julia will soon celebrate her 28th birthday. She's not 100% recovered. She still gets a little winded, but looks forward to going back to work when the doctor gives her a clean bill of health. She's tested negative for the virus and cannot stress enough for people to keep to themselves these days.
It's better to be safe than sorry. You don't want to get this virus, I promise. It's not a fun thing. If we just listen and do what we're told, eventually it's going to pass.
In Harrison County, Lee Searcy, LEX 18 News.